Amp rack. Round 3. Print and install. OCB3 mono and topping V100. 3D print.
Real life.
It's about to get real here. As the Pointer Sisters once said. I'm so excited. Okie dokie, we're just gonna rip these off or cut them off. I guess we've got to let the annoying dog in. Just one sec. I'll try not to sing the whole thing, I'll probably get copyright strike. Yeah, I thought these were connected together, but no, they're connected to the ground. Makes it harder for me. Oh, no book yet. Come on. Did I not do 2? This one's there. Just didn't cut through it hard enough. Wrap my arms around you, I want to feel you. And if you move real slow, let it go. Yeah, that's enough of that. What's this bit? This was just to stop the amps creeping forward. Bye-bye. Okay. Now I've got this crazy plan. If only you could see this plan, it would amaze you. Just undo this. And this. And this. And that. This hand 3D pen printed plebeian technology last eon ago. And we'll pull this forward and it's going to pick up the ants like that. Crazy. You don't want people scratching their amps, just try not to look. I had this funny phone over here. Just for visuals. I guess I've always had a slightly temporary look to most install. Yes, I do. Alright, it's happening. There's this bit of foam with a few cords running through it. I could convince them to go away. That is the old amp. Base a Kmart, Big W, Bunnings, maybe it's Bunnings. Bunnings shelf. It's got the little tiny things in it. It's gone now. Used to just look for things that could work when you need something quick. And a certain effect. This one is also slightly temporary. Let's try and get the phone out. I think it would be that stubborn. Here you go. Power leads right through it. Clear there. Clear there. One more power lead, hang on. Ta-da! So far no dead amps. Dead amp. Dead amp. Dead amp. Dead amp. It's a bit of open cell phone. And its original backing. $9.99. Who wants it? There's a screw there. Maybe. This is a piss weak thing. Unit. Oh, geez. Someone knows what they're doing. Seriously. Yeah. The plan was, I don't think it's going to work so good, is just take 1 amp at a time. But the problem is, these ones can go forward. But the fuzzies can't. The fuzzies have to go, be thread through from the front. So you have to move the fuzzies out. Move them back a bit. As long as we can get these 4 in, we can start talking numbers. I'll get my guy to talk to your guy and we can draw up some numbers. How about that? Ooh, yeah. No, come on. Come on. Ooh, yeah. Come on. Nearly. That's basically almost it, right? It feels dusty. You think the speed I drive at, the dust wouldn't have time to settle. Enough for the roof here. Let's try and get a fuzzy out. There's some redundancy in this system at the moment. Is that there's 2 channels I'm not even going to use. I'm going to mount them anyway. So let's say 2 channels I'm not using. I'll leave them out for a bit. That'll just save me a slight load really. Alright, let's two we don't need for now. They're just going to fill 2 slots. Now these are actually the subs in 8-inch pairs, 4 channels, 4 amps. We go sub 8 spare. Or sub 8 spare. That wouldn't make much sense, would it? I think the left right thing is good, and the heat, because the fan's going to come underneath. So we'll do sub left right, 8 left right. Okay. Now this is where best laid plans and all that. Red is sub, and green. The actual color code is green. Powers are here. And the amps are there. See, this is not going to work. We'll just remember green is subs. Basically, did it the way I said it wasn't going to do it. Green is subs, red is 8. That's my color coding back here. I guess we can look at kind of what it's going to look like. Right. These are dusty too. They were behind the fans. That's what we call it. And spare. Some labels. Actually, my prototyping, I pulled all the rubber feet off, but in this particular install, the rubber feet are staying, and I'm just like squishing them past. There's enough wiggle room to get the rubber feet in. Okay. That's the view from in here. Was it what I thought? Maybe because all these aren't facing. The stickers are throwing me too. Oh. Okay. Going to need coloured lighting to get this puppy up to showroom standard.
Amp rack. Round 3. Print and install. BOSE V3 mono and topping B100. 3D print.
Maybe this pipe's got to go. I can 3D print a pipe now. I can 3D print a jet of air from here straight to the equipment below. That's probably what I'll do. Like, doesn't need all this. Do it a little bit more out of the way. Like that. And then you've got this abomination over here. I mean, it's needed. Go right back. Take this off. We can just imagine that I've worked out how to make a mount. Okay, so I've worked out how to make a mount. I've covered this gap. We might have some more sexy plastic here. And over the side, and I can do the sexy plastic computer holder, and I think we've got an idea. We've got a roadmap. We'll leave it there. I'll put on the little SOS light show. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. So there's the quick lighting, quick test, very thin 3D printed Amprac idea. Not too bad really. This thing here, maybe he's gonna find a home back there somewhere. This stuff melts, I think at like 190 maybe it starts melting. And these amps only get to about 60 if there's no fan. 40 is a good temp normally with fans. 60 is if you leave it in the car on a hot day and you don't have a fan. These guys don't get as hot, but they do maybe get to 30 something. This is how it's going.
This setup is absolutely wild. Look at that custom mount.
The lighting integration is really clean too.
That's with my not very good filament. Test print, test lighting, sort of strapped in, but that's how we roll.